and welcome back to Hanoi.
Hanoi, baby! We're in Vietnam!
So today we are heading to Train Street to see Train Street. Not sure if it's going to be open or not because we have heard rumours that it is closed, but we will see and we'll let you know.
Hopefully it is, because we've been waiting for about 4 years to actually go here, but I think that the train still passenger can still take photos, but there's just no cafes and stuff that's open, so we'll have to let you know, but it's going to be very unfortunate if it is shut, but yeah, come along with us. So just to clarify, we thought we'd make this video just based off the fact that Train Street is closed. We, however, still have a backlog of videos from Malaysia and the start of our Vietnam journey. So please don't think that we've just run out of content, because we haven't. So a lot more content to come up, but we just thought that we'd put this video in now, just for anyone that's travelling to Vietnam.
To start the day off, we have come to a place called Lifted Cafe, and this is my pulled pork Benedict. Alice has got a fried breakfast, which looks worthy of
sausage looks probably the most
breakfast
English
from back home.
Yeah. What is
And
this?
Chloe's got a
Bacon, cheese and pickle, toasty, but...
She's gone for a bit of a boring option, hasn't you?
No, I fancy a toasty. What's this stuff though? It's like a pink puree.
No idea.
Beetroot puree? Maybe actually. So, welcome to Train Street in Hanoi, Vietnam. It is currently closed. We've come here and as you can see, majority of the shops are actually shut. There are a few open, but this is as far as we can go. There's security behind us that aren't letting us go. There's a big old sign here that says that we're not allowed to walk, which is really disappointing. The trains are only scheduled for certain times of the day, but we've been having this in mind for 4 years before we were meant to come travelling, and hello, yeah, we can't actually come, they won't let us. We wanted a photo of us walking on the tracks and maybe have a coffee down here, but
it's closed. It's
closed, but it is very pretty, but it's just a shame that we can't live the dream that we wanted to about getting photos and stuff here. Hello.
We can have coffee?
Coffee.
Yeah?
Can we come for coffee?
Free?
Do you guys want to come for a coffee at the cafe or?
So we are actually on the Train Street, but...
So this lady's basically, she's got a coffee shop and she's invited us for a coffee, but she's had to basically check with the security that we're actually allowed to come. I mean, it's really sad for these people, really, because their businesses have just been shut down. It's been made to shut by the government. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, it's so sweet up here. At least we do get to experience.
Yes. Such a shame that we can't actually experience it properly, but
We're not going to actually be able to see a train go past either, because we've missed all of the morning ones. So the next one is at 3:20, and it's only 12:30. So maybe we'll come back actually, just so we can experience the train.
I remember seeing videos. So it looks a lot different to what we're used to seeing, but well, not that we've been here before, but a few months ago, all these coffee shops would have been full with people, and the market was pretty much all dead. I think from September 22nd, all these coffee shops were given notice to say that they need to close. So yeah, literally it's just dead.
Maybe we can find a video.
So you literally can't even come here unless you're going to a cafe.
I'd love to have seen what it was like. Photo down there. Okay.
Yeah, so you can't go this way, no?
No.
No?
Let's take a photo.
Completely closed. After we've had our drink, we have to literally pop the tracks and get out of here. We're actually going to come back at 3:20 when there's meant to be a train coming through here.
Meant to.
I'll see if I can find some clips of this when it was actually busy, but yeah.
So, we do know that the train track is 117 years old and it was founded in 1902. So yeah, we're just trying to find now. We're walking along this road where there's like quite a few little markets and stuff. We're trying to find the bridge that everyone. Oh, right. Okay, let me show you. Oh, I think actually Jacob's going to get a video. But basically, we just kind of stood on the train track now, but it's barricaded off from both sides. But we're trying to find. There's a bridge that everybody always goes on. So we're trying to find the bridge that people stand on, and it overlooks the train, but we're not 100% sure. But so sad. Been wanting to come here for ages, and I told my mum and dad about this, and they were very, very, very upset because they also want to come here. But right, okay, let me show you. Oh, I think that's Jacob. From both sides. So we're trying to find the bridge.
So we are back to find to see the 5 p.m. train go past. Huh?
Oh no, they're telling us to go in.
You're the train cat. So we didn't actually get to see the train go past. We waited about an hour and a half in a coffee shop, and yeah, the train just didn't come past. So unfortunately the train street is closed and we didn't even get to see a train go past. But yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes when you're travelling, things don't go right, and yeah, things change, don't they? So
hopefully we'll be able to get to see it maybe after we go to Australia or something, but I'm sure it'll be open again in the future. But until they figure out a solution how it's going to be okay and safe for tourists, I don't think it's going to be open. But we hope you enjoyed this short video of the train street currently being closed. But make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.